Puttabamma. Now you know
You saw it together.
So what?
You saw it together.
Now you're acting too much.
Okay,
You
but
dance at
tell me
Puttabamma three
one
times.
film after 2022, one film which I showed you which you didn't like.
You're not showing me. Which
I
you're showing me?
showed you so many.
Which one?
I showed you Reservoir Dogs.
Huh? That's one good one. Yesterday only we saw.
Yeah. Then
You're telling me as if you're showing me every day one movie.
you're not there every day.
Hey.
That's what I showed. See, wow.
You only are not seeing movies. You tell me your 10 movies name.
What do you mean? Any 10?
No, any 10 you
Oh,
tell.
my favorite 10.
You tell the last 10. 1 year you've seen 10 movies.
Pulp Fiction. Reservoir
All
Dogs.
Fiction you didn't see.
I saw it.
All Fiction.
I saw it later.
This is what we have seen. Okay.
Leonardo DiCaprio is he'll be police and he'll have one, he'll be undercover in Dawn and Dawn will have one undercover in police.
Talking, that's 2 years back only we have seen.
Yeah, you saw
The
it.
last 1 year I'm asking you.
In the last 1 year, I saw this Jolly LLB3.
Yeah.
I saw the new Mission Impossible.
Yeah.
Dead Reckoning.